Welcome back to another drone flight of Untrue Legends. Today we are flying in Neasden in London Borough of Brent in northwest London. So without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so drone's up in the sky as you can see. So let's go up to the max height. It's absolutely baking here today, 30-degree weather. Just done a drone flight in areas in Barnet. And now I'm here in London Borough of Brent to do a drone flight in Neasden. I've actually done a drone flight in Neasden before last year, and it was in the summer as well. I did it in August last year, and now I'm doing another one again. There's so many police. Oh my god. Oh, what? You know what? I thought it was like, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 police vans. That is crazy. Alright, without further ado, let's do a 360 photo. Then we're just going to zip around. Let's just zip around Neasden. I was actually thinking, I was coming past here and I was thinking to do it in Staples Corner, which is also an area near Brent Cross, but I've already done a drone flight there. So I thought of doing it in Neasden because I haven't taken off from this area yet. I've done it in a different part of Neasden, but not in this area. Let's go towards the area down there. Let's follow the A406 motorway, dual carriageway I mean. Follow this bus or coach going towards there. Good thing is that we get a nice breeze. We're getting a nice breeze now, which is amazing. That's needed after this hot weather. I'm actually baking. So much so that the buses kept stopping, like because it overheats. And the same thing on my phone. Like, literally everything's overheat. Like my power bank overheats as well. Like it was baking hot. I almost couldn't touch it. That's how hot it got. Because it creates heat anyway, but then the heat on top of that we're getting from the sun, solar heat, that's adding to the heat. Look at that amazing area. Let's follow the A406. We're literally following it. I mean, I don't know what to call this video. I should call it, maybe I should call it Neasden again, or what shall I call it? Or maybe I'll call it Neasden May 2026 drone flight, because I've done one in 2025. Absolutely baking hot. We're not going to go that far. That's how I was going to fly Staples Corner, but then when I was coming here I realised I should have flown in Staples Corner, but since I was here anyway I thought let's just take off here now. Let's follow the A406 back towards where we are. Let's follow this white car. So you still have to keep steady, because when I flew in Finchley, the same thing happened. Like I lost FPS. I'm standing in the shade and we're still losing FPS because of the generic heat today. Actually, it has cooled down now, but the UV index is also so high today. We're literally following the A406, which is actually insane, isn't it? Let's follow it for the whole A406, yeah, till we get to Neasden. Or should we continue further? Let's continue further. Like, I took my phone case off and it's still getting FPS lost. We never had it when I was flying in the winter. It's low FPS. See, I've overshot it. Oh my god, this is so hard. What happened to my phone? Why didn't my phone overheated? Let me stop the... Are we facing down? I don't even know what I'm recording. It's kind of annoying. My phone is frozen. I can't even see anything. It's a black screen. I think it overheated. It's really hot. My phone, I can't get any footage. I mean, I can use my drone, but I can't get any footage because the phone's, I can't use the phone. It's just like not moving at all. The phone's unresponsive. My phone got baked in this heat. I mean, the drone's alright. My controller, my phone's still connected to it. I'm gonna have to land the drone for a second because I don't know what's going on with my phone. My phone's like a black screen. I'll show you right now. Like, my phone's completely dead. I don't understand what happened. It's unreliable. Like, the FPS got so bad. I'm gonna try and get my phone working again. If we can, I'll carry on this drone flight. See, look, it's showing the Apple logo again. It's been on this for like 3 minutes in a row. All right, so after that, it turns out that the battery died, and then I don't know what happened to it, literally. Anyway, we're gonna carry on this drone flight. I'm just gonna fly over here because the area is closed now. It closed, and then after that I wasn't able to go up, so I'm just flying from here now. So I'm going to continue this drone flight. Like, after the phone froze, I don't know what happened, and then after that the phone died after. So I don't know what I did. I went locally to charge it for like a few minutes. I was waiting for all that time, and then it drained the phone down. I tried to power restart it. I don't know what happened, but it's later in the day now, as you can see. So yeah, we're in IKEA. We've got a shot of IKEA right over here in Wembley IKEA. I mean, this area is Wembley anyway, near Wembley. Let's get a shot of this Pickfords area. So there's a lot of not freight trains, but that's what I saw on the freight train. All these containers saying Hapag-Lloyd. Saying Hapag-Lloyd. That was just the fly on my controller. You know how it happens when it's summer. Anyway, let's go towards Wembley. I've done one drone flight at Wembley Park, but maybe I should do one in the actual other side. That there's a Costco near there as well. Let's go toward that Costco. The big yellow self-storage. We've got Costco, big Costco over here. Look at that. Only thing is later on in the day now. I let it too long. I was messing around with my phone, trying to get it working again. And then I got it charged after. I was going to charge my power bank, but my power bank died after that. So look. We're near Wembley now. I mean, we're not far from Wembley anyway. Look at that. I mean, where I flew last time in Neasden, it wasn't that close to this area, but now we're close to this area. Look at that, we've got a shot of Wembley. That's why it's called IKEA Wembley, because it's literally right next to Wembley. Where should we go? Let's go towards this area down here. There's a construction area down here. Anyway, let's just head back now towards this area. So you've got the, what's it called? The Jubilee Line train. Let's come back towards the IKEA area. And see, you know that patch of green there? That's where I flew my drone last time when I flew in Neasden. I flew in that recreation ground. Now I'm here at IKEA. I'm flying near IKEA, so. Let's just stay in this area after this, then we'll just fly around here, then we'll get a shot of the area nearby. Let's shot the area down here. Get the shot of the other side. I think let's go to the other side. Yeah, let's walk towards the other side and then we'll just get a nice shot of this area. Top down shot of IKEA. I mean, it's closed now. Let's get a low down shot of the A406 motorway. I mean, it's not as hot now because the sun's higher up, lower down in the sky. Whose car alarm is that? I realised I'm going to go for the other side, so I'm just going to fly on the other side. I did the same thing when I flew in Barnet. Flying near the cars. Good thing is that our phone's not overheating now anymore. We're chasing that truck at such a high speed. Look at that. An amazing shot. Right, let's bring the drone back now. We're going to go towards the other way. Look at that, an amazing shot, isn't it? That's a shame. Just stopped right there. And that was the gimbal shake. The gimbal does that when it's abrupt movements. We've got McDonald's right over here. McDonald's drive-through. And what we're going to do, we're just going to land the drone now. That was an amazing little drone flight. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Neasden in northwest London, in London Borough of Brent. So without further ado, I'm going to end this drone flight now. I hope you enjoyed this drone flight, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.